Hi everyone, today we're Module 3, Level F. This is Lesson 14. Turn to page 53 to follow along and take notes. Okay, we're going to take notes on this page and then you'll have to do a little on your own. So this says a gallon of water weighs 8.4 pounds. If a pail of water weighs 47.88 pounds, how many gallons of water are in the pail? A, 0.57 gallons. B, 5.7 gallons, C, 6 gallons, D, 57 gallons. So we need to number 1, find how many gallons of water are in the pail. Our strategy, we're going to use estimation to eliminate unreasonable answer choices. So sometimes you can use estimation, it'll really help you so you don't have to check for all the answers. So 47.88 rounded to the nearest whole number is, so look at the ones place, the 8 behind it's going to round it up, so it's about 48. Then it says 8.4 rounded to the nearest whole number is 8 because that 4 makes it stay. So 48 divided by 8 is 6. This says which answer choice, if any, is much greater than the estimate. So the estimate is 6. Which one of these is much greater? Ooh, D. So we probably should not count D. Which answer choice, if any, is much less? If we look at these again, ooh, 0.57. That doesn't even have a whole number. So A is much less. Which answer choices remain? B and C. Okay, so now we're going to divide. So we have 47.88 divided by 8.4. So our decimal point is just going to go straight up. And the kind of nice thing about dividing by a decimal is that we can act like this is just 84. We can ignore that decimal point. So then does 84 go into 4? No. 47? No. 478? Yes. So if we do 478 divided by 84, it goes in there more than 5 times, but not 6 times. So then we do 5 times 84 to get 420, and then we're going to subtract. So 8 minus 0 is 8, 7 minus 2 is 5, and then we got to bring down this 8, and then 84. So if we do 588 divided by 84, we get 7. Exactly. So 7 times 84 is 588. So then luckily we have no remainders left over because we're doing decimals. So then that works out well. So our answer is 5.7. Well, we estimated 6, which was close to 5.7, but our answer is 5.7. So then if we look back up top, B is our answer. And is that reasonable? It sure is, because we estimated 6, and that's very close to 5.7. All right, so now what you're going to do is you're going to complete page 53 on your own. Make sure to show work and ask for help if you need it. Good luck.